Alright, so I've got some data over here in Excel, and what I want to do is I want to highlight certain rows based on a criteria that I tell it to highlight on. So over here on the marker color column, I have colors, and you can see most of these are orange, except for every now and then there'll be a green one. And so what I want to do is I want to quickly highlight all of the ones that are green so that when I scroll down, I'm able to see those. And so I don't want to manually do this because that would take a while. So there is a way that you can do this with conditional formatting up here real quickly. So I'm going to click on A1, I'm going to hold down Shift Control and right arrow, Shift Control down arrow to highlight all the data. Come up to conditional formatting, manage rules, new rule. I'll click on use a formula to determine which cell to format. And then right over here, I'll hit equals. I'll choose the first cell of the column that I want to have the condition on. So it's going to be D1. I'll hit F4 twice to lock the column but not the row. Then I'll say equal whatever my criteria is. So I want to highlight everything that's green. So I'll say green. And then I'll format to highlight in a green color. I'll hit OK, apply. And there we go, everything's colored green.